All right, y'all, it's another year, another F1 game is dropping. Today, I'm going to walk y'all through how to play this game in virtual reality. First step, hit that play button, because how else are you going to play the game without hitting the play button? So let's do that. And you're going to wait for the game to launch. While waiting, connect your VR headset. All right, so after the game launches, you're going to see a little dialog box that pops up. It's going to ask you if you want to play the game in regular mode or in VR mode. Pop quiz. Which one do you think we're going to choose today? Clearly, we're choosing F1 25 in VR, so go ahead and check that one and then press play. And now a couple things are going to happen. The game is going to load up and it's going to pop up in a window mode for some reason. And also Steam VR, as you can see here, just launched. So that tells you that you're moving in the right direction. Told y'all, TVG gonna get y'all right. Don't worry about it. So now at this point, you should start to see something in your headset. Now it looks like a flat screen. I know you're probably panicking like, this isn't VR. It's just a flat screen in front of me. But don't worry, press any button like it told you, and then you'll start to load into the main menu. And this is where the magic happens. Stick with me, y'all. Now, before we start up a game, I just wanted to point this out to y'all. Just keep y'all informed, keep y'all in the loop. Head down to settings and then head over to VR. And this will allow you to adjust your graphics settings. So just for reference, I'm playing on an RTX 4080 graphics card with a 9th gen i9 CPU, so it's pretty old. So I'm not going to change these. This is just the default settings. I'm going to see how my system handles it. So let's go ahead and head into a game. So I just went to a time trial and I'm just selecting the car. Do y'all recognize this car? This is actually the car in the thumbnail, fun fact. It's the McLaren's F1 car. So we're gonna choose that. And let's just say we're gonna go to Japan. Going Japón, a little Japón. And so up until this point, everything is flat screen. In your VR headset, you're just gonna see like a screen that's just like plastered in front of you. Nothing is immersive about it. But once you actually get into the game, it turns into this VR mode. So at this point, you should be immersed into the F1 world in virtual reality. Go ahead and grab your controller and let's hit the tracks. Yeah, guys. So we are in virtual reality. Take a look at my mirrors. Hold on one second. Ooh, let me get my bearings here. Playing on Japan. Like I mentioned before, I am playing on a 4080 graphics card and I have an i9 9th gen. I previously played F1 23 and F1 24 on my 2080 Super. It was a gaming laptop, and honestly, the performance was subpar. I'd say I'd be hitting anywhere between 40 to 50 frames per second. And right now, things do seem a little inconsistent. Keep in mind, I am recording, and I am mirroring the game twice because I'm recording the Steam VR view. I do have the frame timing in the bottom left corner of the screen. I can't see it in my headset, but it is recording on my recording software. So that just means that there is room for improvement, room for optimization to get better. Let me know if you guys want to see a video on that. I could drop a video on how to improve your graphics settings in VR specifically when playing this game. I think the 4080 definitely should be capable enough, but like I said, I just did the default settings, didn't tweak around the settings at all, and just wanted to show you guys that it's real simple to really get into VR when playing this game. Nothing complicated at all. Here's a back view, rear view. Oh, I just crashed. Oh my gosh. That's what I get for trying to talk and drive, man. If y'all enjoy the video, drop a like, because I just crashed my car. I know these cars cost a lot of money. But also consider hitting the subscribe button. Appreciate y'all. It's been your boy TVG. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See y'all later.